Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 83. Today we are going through the Mandras 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 in Sooktha-33. Here also the Devata is Indra. We know Indra is the force which coordinates the activities in all actions. Suppose we are doing any work, some chemical changes are taking place inside the system, and based on that science, there developed a force which coordinates the activity to change the structural, to make the structural changes. That force is called the Indra. That we have explained it through several classes. Now let us go through the 11th mantra.
RIGVEDA-Mandal-1 Sooktha-33 Anuswadhamaksharan Apo Asya Varthadamatya Anavyanam Sandrijinena Manasatam Indra Ojishtena Hanmanahannabhidyuna.
Here it says Vritta is there inside the water which is flowing due to the formation created due to the formation of due to the combination of hydrogen and OH negative ion in the clouds. The charged clouds are combining to form water, and this water is flowing, and there is a force which opposes any activity in the outer atoms are taking place in such chemical reactions. So there is a force inside the orbit, and the orbit in the outermost orbit in the atoms are taking part in that chemical reaction. So these orbits has a tendency to remain as such, which opposes this orbit, this circular orbit, that is Vritra. That Vritrasura has a tendency to oppose any change. As per Newton's third law, every action there is equal and opposite reaction. And Indra is the force based on science which forces kills this Vritra and then combines these ionic hydrogen ion and OH negative ion to form water. So that orbit, the Vritrasura is there in the orbit itself. So that orbit atom with the orbit is flowing along with the water. Indra not allow it to this Vritra to came out to oppose this reaction, oppose this formation of water. Then after forming water molecule, Vritra will become helpless to do anything to convert it into its original form, that is H positive ion or H negative ion. Now let us go through the 12th mantra.
RIGVEDA-Mandal-1 Sooktha-33 Ya vidyadilibishasya drilha vishrangina abhichushnamindriha yavattaro mahavanyavadojo Vajrena Shatrumavadhi Prithanyum.
It says Indra kills the Vritrasura which is inside the earth. Earth means inside the material or inside any chemical substance. Inside the chemical substance or in the cloud, earth means any solid substance. This cloud itself is a semi-solid substance. Inside it, the Vritra is there in the orbit. So it is inside the earth, that is inside the molecule, inside the atom. This orbit Vritrasura is there. It is hiding there. It possesses some horn-like structure. We know in chemistry we are representing the combination by a combination of two orbits by a whole-like structure that are life. That is called bond. So Indra killed that Vritrasura with that bond. Indra is killing this Vritrasura very quickly, because suppose if we want to break this, these are two hydrogen atoms to form molecule, hydrogen molecule H2. If we want to break it, Indra should apply this force there, Vajrayuda there, or to separate it. So this Vritrasura will oppose it. So it should be done quickly, because if we separate it, it will immediately combine with this again, because atom cannot remain absent. Likewise, it cannot remain. It will combine together immediately. So Indra should cut it and immediately join this atom with another. That is another oxygen atom. Then only we can produce water molecule. This hydrogen H2 separates, and this hydrogen is immediately joined with another atom of oxygen so as to form water. So these actions are quick. So actions of Indra are very fast. Now let us go through the 13th mantra.
RIGVEDA-Mandal-1 Sooktha-33 Abhisitmo Ajigadasya Shatru Nidikme Na Vrishabhena Purohed Samvajrena Srijat Vritramindra Praswam Madimadirachashadana.
The strength of Indra's Vajrayuda, diamond sword, is very great. That is, it can easily cut these atoms and separate it and then join with the oxygen atom to form water. Likewise. So it applies his Vajrayuda against his enemy, that is Vritrasura, very quickly, by which water is flowing. That means hydrogen, H positive ion and OH negative ion clouds joins together to form water, and the water immediately flows in the form of rain. Now let us go to the 14th mantra.
RIGVEDA-Mandal-1 Sooktha-33 Avakutsam-Indra Yasminchagan Pravo Yudhyandam Vrishabham Deshadyam Shaphachudorenur Nakshada Dyam Uchai Vetrayo Nrishakhyaya Tastavu.
It says, Indra held Kushasan and Dashayu like the rishis. In older days, these rishis conducted Somayaga to create water, rain from these clouds by performing Somayaga. So he helped these rishis, and with the help of the powder form of particles in the Yagashala, they are creating this powdered form of smoke. They are burning something by which carbons are forming. These are also moving in the upward direction along with that ionized particle that are created in the Somayaga. That also going in along with the powder form of carbon, and that is in the smoke, that it helps to join these clouds, negative cloud and positive charged cloud. And Indra is there during that process, that is during conducting Somayaga. Indra was there to assist the activity there. Now let us go through the 15th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 33-15. ആവശ്യമം വൃഷഭം തു ഉഗ്ര്യാസു ക്ഷേത്രജേഷേ മഖവൻ ചിത്രം ഗാം ജോക്ചിദത്ര തസ്തിവാംസോ അക്രഞ്ചത്രു യഥാ മധരാ വേദനാകഃ.
It says, Indra helped the Kshetraya who was fall in the rainwater. A flood take place due to this formation of heavy rain. And Indra is responsible for saving that Kshetrayana who was fallen in the rainwater, that is in the flood. Indra then entered into this water and kept its enemy, that is Vritrasura, there itself. That means in that orbit Vritrasura is there, but he is helpless. In the initial state, this is H positive ion, this is O H negative ion. They are not, this Vritra is not ready to combine. But Indra with his force trying to combine these two with the oxygen and to form water. But that enemy there in the orbit itself and it is flowing along with the water. And Indra not allowed it to again form into the cloud in the form of H positive ion and OH negative ion, because water will remain as such on earth and gradually it will undergo evaporation at the time of getting sunlight. It absorbs the energy and then Vritrasura splits this hydrogen and OH negative ion and then go above as cloud. So the cycle is repeating.